Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make easy, simple and delicious Nigerian pancake. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching. The first thing you're going to do is to sift your all-purpose flour. Next, you add milk or milk flavor, then sugar, salt, grated nutmeg, and you combine the dry ingredients together. Next, add water, lukewarm water to be precise. Then you mix. Add more water, then continue to mix until the lumps is completely dissolved. So as you guys can see, it's now lump free. Next, I have onion and pepper. So this is onion and pepper, coarsely grated. Hope you guys are seeing how the consistency of our pancake batter is. Very light, very light. Hope you guys are seeing this. The consistency is very light. Okay, that aside, heat up your pan, add little vegetable oil, then spread the oil and scoop in your pancake batter. So once the top is set, you flip over to the other side. So this is okay. Repeat the same process until you exhaust your pancake batter. Guys, a yummy, delicious, easy pancake is ready. Guys, you're going to love this Nigerian pancake. It was so delicious. Make sure you try yours out. I'll be leaving the measurement in the description, so check out the measurements and try out yours. and also leave me a comment. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.